Good afternoon, sir. The intent of this bill is definitely appreciable as it recognizes the right of women and it gives women to take her own decision towards the reproductive health. But at the same time, I would like to highlight upon certain important points which definitely need to be taken care of. Number one, sir, this bill doesn't say anything about the sex workers. This is very important. Number two, Section 5A of this bill violates the confidentiality. That is very important as well. Number three, necessities approval of medical board creates additional barrier. We have to admit that as of now in our country, 56% abortions are unsafe. So urgent abortion training program should be taken by government. Proper awareness. As we know, there is a false perception that abortion means end to an unwanted pregnancy. This stigma should be removed and additional steps should be taken by Honorable Minister. I would like to say regarding the committee, an anesthetist and psychiatrist, they must be included in this committee because in some late cases we have seen we have to go for hysterectomy even, and for which the presence of anesthetist is very much essential, and for some counseling purpose the role of psychiatrist is also very important. My next very important suggestion is a fast-track court should be set up immediately. My respected chairman, sir, suppose a minor in Hathras or Balarampur becomes a victim of rape. She is not able to understand herself that she has become pregnant. After a few weeks, it is only her mother who recognizes that that victim of Hathras has become pregnant. By that time, it's already very late. And if she has to wait for the decision to be given by the normal court, the process is delayed further. So fast-track court must be set up immediately. Sir, mandatory institutional delivery is very important. In our state of West Bengal, 98.5% institutional deliveries are taking place, which is much better than the national data. Sir, it's good to see that the time has been extended up to 24 weeks. But as a radiologist personally, I can say there are many congenital anomalies which can be detected by ultrasound within 14 to 16 weeks. So in those particular cases, definitely there is no need to wait till 24 weeks. But on the contrary, suppose a lady who is coming from rural India and her congenital anomaly is getting detected much late. In that particular case, as in our country till date, the viability is considered up to 28 weeks. So in those special and particular cases, my submission is this should be allowed up to 28 weeks, which is the cut-off time of viability. It has been mentioned that 2 registered medical practitioners should be there. My suggestion will be, instead of 2 medical registered practitioners, it should be 2 specialist gynecologists. And last but not the least, the most important point, once again I would like to highlight upon, until and unless institutional delivery should be made almost 100%. We cannot decrease the maternal mortality rate, which has been decreased in our state of West Bengal significantly. The same model should be followed in the rest of the country, and my suggestion will be, once again I appreciate the intent of this bill, and at the same time I suggest that this bill should be sent to the select committee to have further discussion with all the other stakeholders to give a good shape. Thank you very much.